In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you could enable dark mode in your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to settings. Under settings, you want to go ahead and click on their accessibility. Once you click on accessibility, what you want to do is you want to click on display and text size. And then you're looking for the option here that says Smart Invert. There's two options that you could select from: classic invert. I don't like classic invert because of the following. Here, I'll show you what I mean. So if you do classic, it's just gonna look like that, so I don't really like that mode. So if you do, you could go ahead and choose classic. The one that I like is the one that's below that or above it, which is Smart Invert. And Smart Invert puts all the colors like they should, and everything gets darkened. So this would apply to Chrome, and then also your social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, and it just looks dark like that all across. Alright, so that's how you set up the dark mode in your iPhone. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and please subscribe.